Ever see a home run boat? Take a look at this Cruisers Yachts 50 GLS. This boat was introduced at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show last year, and I can tell you, they knocked it out of the park. The 50 GLS features 2 beach doors, port and starboard side, a 1-level cockpit from bow to stern, means no steps up or down, and a ton of seating. The 50 GLS is powered by 600 Mercury outboards, has 2 grills, tons of storage, huge cockpit seating, a pop-up television, two refrigerators, ice maker here, triple wide helm seat with triple Simrad screens for redundancy. A sunroof. Your walk-through to the bow has an electric window that slides from the right to the left with a bow block-off door right here. And again, 1 level all the way to the bow. This table is a high-low table, which will deploy all the way back into the floor, so it is flush all the way across. Very robust armrests for when you're in less than calm water. And here's where the boat really shines. 2-stateroom boat. Masters forward. Small refrigerator here, along with a convection microwave and a mid-cabin that could be made into a king-size bed. Head with a separate shower. As you can see, the 50 GLS is an amazing boat. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching.